Hi, my name is Ryan Poppy, president and co-owner of the Beloit Mattress Company, born in 1929. Did you know that you can get a mattress or a mattress topper made in any shape or size? That's right, here at the Beloit Mattress Company, we make everything from scratch, so we can make your topper or mattress in any size you may need. So if you have a V-berth boat and you need a V-shaped mattress, that's not a problem. If you're a throwback from the 70s and you have a round mattress and you need a round bed mattress replacement, we can do that too. We've made all kinds of custom mattresses over the years, whether it's back in time and people wanted to get a mattress to lay in the bed of their pickup truck to crash on a long road trip, or today making a mattress to go in the back of a Tesla for camp mode. We can do any of that. If you need a custom topper to go on top of that dinette that converts in your camper for the grandkids when they come to sleep so they don't feel all the seams in those cushions, we can do that. If your camper came with a bad mattress, which most do, we can make any mattress in our entire lineup to fit in your camper. If you have any questions like that, if you go to BeloitMattress.com, we have a custom quote page. You will be surprised how low the price actually is on these custom items. When you get to the custom quote page, there will be an area for you to enter in the dimensions. If you do not have the dimensions or you have a very strange shape, you can always request a pattern maker kit. So if you have a bunch of angles or something that you need the mattress or topper to fit, we can send you a item to make a pattern out of. You can ship back and we can get you a quote from there. Oh, and by the way, once you get your custom topper or custom mattress, we can make custom sheets and protectors to fit on them. Visit either one of our showrooms or go to BeloitMattress.com to shop securely at home.